everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum quick drop operation. The materials and tools are electric impact wrench, rotary hammer, quick drop, marker, file, hole deburrer, aluminum pipe. Use an electric impact wrench to loosen and take out the bolts of the quick drop. Put the quick drop on the pipe, with the positioning side facing up. And mark the position of the inner circle of the positioning surface with a marker. Use a ruler to measure the center of the inner circle and mark it. Use a drilling tool to open a hole at the marked position. After the hole is opened, use a hole deburrer to deburr it. After the deburring is completed, use a file tool to polish it until there is no burr. Install the quick drop on the pipe. Fix the sealing ring. Align the limit slot into the hole. Tighten the bolts. Then the installation is completed.